Hello everyone, welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can write emails using power of OpenAI. As we know that every user or every business owner prefer to receive a customized email or maybe something personal email and which is more targeted. And many times we need to hire a copywriter to write such kind of emails. But using power of OpenAI, we can generate beautiful emails as well as high converting emails. To generate new email template, what you need to do is you need to go to email template. Here you have option email generator. Here we need to write a command. For example, I will write. Okay, so I am asking OpenAI to write an email about local citation. Okay, we can set the minimum word length. I will use 200 word, and I will click on generate button. And here is our ready business. Our email is ready. Here we can see that OpenAI return a complete email about the respective business and so on, and how citations are important. Depending on our requirement, we can choose the different variables. These variables belongs to respective report type. For example, for citation audit report, these are the variables. We can put these variables. For example, in business name, we can put the business owner name. We can put the number of citations. For example, here we have details of citation audit, where how many citations they are not listed, how many citations they have, and so on. So we can add these variables and we can utilize while sending the cold emails using the CPP leads. Thank you very much.